Hello everyone, Pirates here. So if you're an SCP fan, you probably have already heard about SCP Unity. Last month, the game got updated and now SCP-173 looks a bit different. It's no longer a peanut, it's whatever this is. I don't know how to call it though. And it got me thinking, wouldn't it be cool if I tried to redesign the peanut myself? Of course I'm not the first one doing that, but hey, I just wanna have fun. First, I made a few sketches of different ideas. The one on the left was the first one. I wanted to make it look freaky, cute, and somewhat elegant at the same time. So I gave it a hourglass-shaped body, and a big head with big eyes and no mouth. Oh, and I forgot, I also kept the original colors too. I wrote on his forehead, "Keep looking, don't blink." It serves as a warning for people. I decided to give it a round base instead of legs so it's more easily balanced. Also, its arms are made of intertwined bars of rebar. I then decided to discard his head because I thought it was too normal. Then I drew the one on the right. I tried to make a classic Greek statue, but vandalized by a bunch of different graffiters. Sincerely, I don't know about the arms, I just felt like it needed to have arms. Anyways, I discarded this whole idea. It's just too different from the original, and I felt like the other one was better. And in the middle are two ideas for heads to replace the one from the first design. It looks elegant, exotic, and it could be freaky in a scary environment. So I went with this one forward, but I added the eye on the forehead, like the one from below. Because it seemed a bit empty, and because it's also a warning to keep looking at it. And then I started making final drawing, so here it is. Arms are difficult to draw. Well, at this part I was just playing with effects. At first I was just going to draw my redesign and nothing more, but then I decided to turn it into a poster, even if the canvas doesn't have the most appropriate size for that purpose. I may print it later and hang it on the wall. And you can also do that. I'll put the link in the description so you can download the final image. Just choosing a font. It can be harder than it seems. So now that it's done, what do you think? Is my redesign of SCP-173 better than the original? Or maybe better than the one from Unity? Tell me in the comments below. Since I had a lot of fun making this video, I was thinking about making more of this kind. So tell me, what SCP do you want me to redesign next? Or if it's an SCP that doesn't have a picture, I could just make my own design. In that case, it wouldn't be a redesign. And well, that's all folks. See you in the next video. Bye!